Hello friends, so today's topic is neuroglia. Neuroglia is also called neuroglial cell or glial cells. These cells support the nervous system and non-excitable cells do not transmit nervous impulse. These cells are only supporting cells of nervous system and constitute the site of tumors in nervous system. Neuroglial cells are divided into two types: central neuroglial cells and peripheral neuroglial cells. Central neuroglial cells are subdivided into three types. First one is astrocytes, second one is microglia, and third one is oligodendrocytes. Then peripheral neuroglial cells are subdivided into two types: schwann cells and satellite cells. Here is diagram of neuron and neuroglia. In this one is neuron, then axon of neuron, axon terminus. This one is also neuron, cell body of neuron, axon and axon terminal. Here is myelin sheath. Here is also myelin sheath. Then neuroglia or glial cell. So this one is microglia, oligodendrocytes, astrocytes and schwann cell. Then central neuroglial cells. First one is astrocytes. Shape of astrocytes are star-shaped and present in all parts of the brain. In human brain, there are two types of astrocyte cells. First one is fibrous and second one is protoplasmic. Fibrous astrocytes occupy mainly the white matter, and processes of these cells cover the nerve cell and synapse. And protoplasmic astrocytes present mainly in gray matter, and processes of these cells run between the nerve cell bodies. Now the functions of astrocytes. So twist around the nerve cells and forms the supporting network in brain and spinal cord. Then forms the blood-brain barrier and regulate the entry of substances from blood into the brain tissues. Then it maintains the chemical environment of extracellular fluid around central nervous system's neurons. Then provide calcium and potassium and regulate neurotransmitter level in synapses and regulate recycling of neurotransmitter during synaptic transmission. Then second one is microglia cells, smallest neuroglial cells and derived from monocytes. We know monocyte is a type of cells of white blood cells. This enter the tissue of nervous system from blood, also called macrophages of central nervous system. Functions of microglia cells are same as macrophages or monocytes of WBC, engulf and destroy the microorganism and cellular debris by means of phagocytosis and migrate to the injured or infected area of central nervous system and acts as a miniature macrophages. Then oligodendrocytes, third and last cell of central neuroglial cells. These cells produce myelin sheath around the nerve fibers in central nervous system, also called oligodendroglia, and have only few processes which are very short. Then function of oligodendrocyte provide myelination around the nerve fiber in central nervous system where schwann cells are absent and provide support to the central nervous system's neurons. Then peripheral neuroglial cells. In peripheral neuroglial cells, there are two types of cells, schwann cells and satellite cells. Schwann cells are major glial cells in peripheral nervous system, and function of schwann cells are provide myelination around the nerve fibers in neuroglial peripheral nervous system and play important role in nerve regeneration. Second one is satellite cells present on external surface of peripheral nervous system neurons. Function of satellite cells are provide physical support to peripheral nervous system neurons and help in regulation of chemical environment of extracellular fluid around the peripheral nervous system neurons. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video then please subscribe my channel.